Ever feel like you're saying, I agree over and over again? Let's fix that today. You'll learn 10 natural ways to agree in English, just like native speakers do. These phrases will help you sound more fluent, confident, and natural when speaking English. So, grab your notebook and let's get started. Absolutely. Sometimes you don't need a long sentence to agree. Just say, absolutely. It's short, confident, and sounds natural. Let's hear it in a short conversation.
I think we should take a break and grab some coffee.
Absolutely. I could use one too. Use absolutely when you strongly agree and want to sound confident and positive. Exactly. When you totally agree with what someone just said, you can say exactly. It shows that you have the same opinion and completely understand their point. It's short, natural, and works in both casual and serious conversations. Here's how it sounds in a real conversation.
We need to focus on quality, not just speed.
Exactly. That's what I've been saying all along. Say exactly to show you completely agree and think the other person is spot on. That's so true. This one sounds friendly and conversational. You can use "that's so true" when someone says something you completely agree with, especially in casual talk. It makes your reply sound warm and natural. Let's check it out in a quick conversation.
People spend too much time on their phones these days.
That's so true. It's hard to have a real conversation sometimes. Use "that's so true" when you totally agree in a relaxed, friendly way. You're right. This one is simple, polite, and works in almost any situation. You can say you're right when you agree with someone's opinion or admit they have a good point. It's perfect for both casual chats and more serious conversations. Let's hear it in a short conversation.
We should leave early to avoid traffic.
You're right. It gets really bad in the afternoon. Say you were right to show you agree politely and respect the other person's opinion. I couldn't agree more. This phrase means you completely agree 100%. It sounds a bit stronger and more formal than absolutely or exactly. So it's great when you want to emphasize total agreement. Let's see how it works in a conversation.
Kindness can really change someone's day.
I couldn't agree more. A small act can make a big difference. Use "I couldn't agree more" when you fully agree and want to sound sincere or thoughtful. That's a good point. You can use this when someone says something smart or interesting that you agree with. It shows you're listening and you respect their opinion. This phrase works really well in discussions or meetings. Here's how it sounds in conversation.
We should save a bit of money each month, just in case of emergencies.
That's a good point. I really need to start doing that. Say, "that's a good point" when you agree thoughtfully and want to show appreciation for someone's idea. I feel the same way. You can use this when you agree with someone's feelings or opinions. It's warm, personal, and shows that you share the same emotion or experience. Here's how it sounds in conversation.
I get really nervous before giving a presentation.
I feel the same way. My hands always start shaking. Say, "I feel the same way" when you agree emotionally or share a similar experience. You can say that again. This is a fun and friendly way to agree. It means you totally agree with what the other person said, sometimes in an exaggerated or humorous way. It's great for casual conversations with friends. Let's hear how it sounds in a real chat.
This weather is way too hot.
You can say that again. I'm melting out here. Use "you can say that again" when you strongly agree in a casual or playful way. I was just thinking the same thing. This phrase shows you completely agree and you were already thinking the same idea before the other person said it. It's friendly, natural, and makes your conversation sound more connected. Here's how it sounds in a conversation.
This restaurant has such a cozy vibe.
I was just thinking the same thing. It's the perfect place to relax. Say, "I was just thinking the same thing" when you totally agree and want to sound natural and in sync. Tell me about it. This one is super casual and often used when you completely agree with someone's complaint or frustration. It means, "I totally understand, I've experienced that too." Let's hear how it sounds in real conversation.
I've been so busy lately. I barely have time to sleep.
Tell me about it. I've been working nonstop this week. Use tell me about it when you completely agree with someone's problem or situation. It sounds friendly and natural. Now, you know 10 natural ways to agree in English. These phrases will help you sound more fluent and confident in any conversation. Which one is your favorite? Tell me in the comments below and try using it in your own example sentence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the playlist to keep learning more daily English expressions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.